Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. I'll just share my screen now. Yeah, so today I'll be sharing about what is Lovo AI tool. I'll be giving a brief overview of what is Lovo AI tool, its features and applications, and what are the benefits of using this Lovo UI tool. So coming to the intro part, so what is Lovo AI tool in the sense like this tool is used for converting the text to speech. So whatever content you are giving in the form of a text or any content you're giving, it will just convert into a speech. And using the AI artificial intelligence, we can assign a voice. So there are many voices in this tool created by the AI. So we can assign a voice which is like realistic human voices, which can be used for business purposes and any content creation or for any corporate trainings or any education purposes. So this is the main purpose of this tool. I'll coming to the features part, like there are many custom voices that sound like real people. So variety of voice styles are there, including male and female voices, even child voices are there. And main feature of this Lovo AI tool is its multilingual support. So there are about 40 plus languages this tool supports, which are globally all around the world. There are totally 40 plus languages it supports. And we can all use for all these languages for business purposes and as per our requirement using this tool. And the application part is main use case of this application is that we can create videos or any presentations or any multimedia content and any advertisements if we require education purposes, YouTube, corporate training, audio books, podcasts. So for these kind of purposes, without any manual requirement of any people or hiring any people, or instead of setting up a studio or getting a high equipment recording equipments, we can use this platform alone to like create these kind of requirements as per our needs. So as I said, the benefits of using this Lovo AI tool is main thing is that the cost saving, the costs which we need for buying a recording equipment maybe or constructing a studio for this purpose, or in case of hiring any professional translators or voiceover artists for our requirement to provide business needs. So these kinds of cost saving can be reduced using this Lovo AI tool. And as I said previously, we used to record, if you see in movies, for dubbing artists and all, they'll be having a recording room for particularly translating the languages in whatever language they want. And it might take some times or how many days or whatever. But just with the content and whatever requirement we give, it just within less stipulated time, it just gives us all the uh, like content in required voiceovers as we need based on the content. Yeah. So we'll just explore the tool, and yeah, this is the tool which I said, Lovo AI. And one second, just share the sound also. So yeah, this is the tool. We can just paste the content or type whatever content we want over here in this page, and we can just generate here, and we can just
Lovo AI is a cutting-edge text-to-speech tool that utilizes artificial intelligence to create natural and realistic human-like voices for various purposes. The tool offers multiple voice options in different languages, making it easy to find the perfect voice for any project.
Like as I said, if you see over here, we can just select any voices. So these premium voices are the voices of most famous people and celebrities. We can use those voices also, these cartoon voices, which are most famous as voices as per our requirement. And this is all of free cost in this, we can use it. And we can also have this filters based on male voice. If we want, we can click male and female voice. And in case of any emotional also, we have this based on the expression we want to convey the message also, we can they have provided with so many emotions over here. Based on that also, the AI will analyze and like speak in that emotional way. So they have provided so many expressions also. And main feature, as I said, it supports around 40 plus global languages. So I'll just share you. I just taken a content from ChatGPT, and I just want to like make a content in Tamil, and I'm just pasting it over here. So I'm just adding a new block, and I'm just selecting here. 1 second. I'm just selecting a male voice, and it is generating. So, and after that, if I just click on the
இயல்புக்குரிய
play,
இயற்கை வாழ்க்கையை பற்றி பேசுவது மிகுந்த ஆர்வம் உடையது. இயற்கையை பற்றியும் அதன் அழகுகளைப் பற்றியும் தமிழ் மொழியில் பதிவை தரலாம். இன்று நாம் பற்றியும் மற்றும் பெரிய தமிழ் மொழியில் நடத்தப்படும் இயற்கை பாதுகாப்பு முகாமைகள் பற்றி கொடுக்கப் பெறுகிறோம்.
yeah. So if you see, it just sounds like a real human. So if a normal human speaks, the same way we can adjust whatever speed if we want, or the pitch if we want, what bass we need. So all these kinds of things we can use using this tool and adjust it. Similar way we have if we want in Malayalam, whatever languages if we need, if we select Malayalam also we can see. So I'll just change the content to Malayalam. I've taken this Malayalam. So it is just generating it. If you see, we can just
പ്രകൃതിയെ പറ്റിയുള്ള വിഷയത്തിൽ മലയാളത്തിൽ ഒരു ഉള്ളടക്കം നൽകുന്നതിൽ ആശാവാദമുണ്ട്. പ്രകൃതിയെപ്പറ്റിയും അതിന്റെ സൗന്ദര്യങ്ങളെപ്പറ്റിയും മലയാള ഭാഷയിൽ പ്രവർത്തിപ്പിക്കാവുന്നു. ഇന്ന് ഞങ്ങൾ പ്രകൃതിയുടെ സംരക്ഷണത്തിന്റെ മുഖാമുഖങ്ങൾ പറ്റി തിരുവച്ചുവന്നുകൊണ്ടുള്ളൂ.
Yeah. So like if we see like most of the corporate trainings are there in case if we want to conduct any meetings or any marketing for business owners, they might use for product marketing. So in those cases we can use these kind of tools and give a presentation. If you see, we can just add a resource, like we can add videos also over here based on the searches. If you search for any, I'm just searching for a nature, it gives you a content of video that whatever as per your requirement, and music if you want to add, it just search and give it to you. You can also upload manually based on the content you want. And this AI writer they have provided, it also gives you a content of what you want to say based on the advertisement or any explaining or YouTube video, any past podcast. You can just click it and give the content, and it will just provide you the content, and you can just paste it and create this thing voiceover. Over here, they have given a pronunciation editor, where in such a case, if you want to, some people might pronounce it in a different slang. So if we create it, we want them to understand it. So you can just mention that particular word, and in what pronunciation you want it to be spelled also, you can just give it over here. The content, it will just change, and for the whole content, it will give you the speech in as per the particular slang you want. And you can, as I said, you can also like add videos over here, and for as per your content requirement, I have just added, and you can just give subtitles also. It will automatically detect subtitles, and it will play the video.
പ്രകൃതിയെ പറ്റിയുള്ള വിഷയത്തിൽ മലയാളത്തിൽ ഒരു ഉള്ളടക്കം നൽകുന്നതിൽ ആശാവാദമുണ്ട്. പ്രകൃതിയെപ്പറ്റിയും അതിന്റെ സൗന്ദര്യങ്ങളെപ്പറ്റിയും മലയാള ഭാഷയിൽ പ്രവർത്തിപ്പിക്കാവുന്നു. ഇന്ന് ഞങ്ങൾ പ്രകൃതിയുടെ സംരക്ഷണത്തിന്റെ മുഖാമുഖങ്ങൾ പറ്റി തിരുവച്ചുവന്നുകൊണ്ടുള്ളൂ.
So yeah, so this is just a basic example I'm giving. So like if you see for this is the official web page of Lovo AI tool. Here they have given the features of what and all purpose it can be used, and they have given the resources of tutorials of how to use this tool. And these are the use cases they have given for advertisement purposes, education purposes, explainer, YouTube, corporate training, audio books, podcast, social media, etc. So for all these purposes, you can use this tool. And main thing is that within a fraction of minutes you can use this, and you can, and many content creators are there, many YouTube creators are there. So for them, not only for them, in case for the organizational purpose, also for corporate trainings, if you want to train any freshers or something, so you can use these kind of, just you can give the content and you can just create the videos for future uses. And coming to the pricing part, and so if you see, for they are giving 14 days of free trial. You can just explore this tool using it, and after that, after a month, you have to pay around $19. It is around something 1,500 in as per our Indian money. So it around covers all these specifications and features as per the requirement. So this is all about AI, Lovo AI tool. Yeah, now I'm done with the session. In case of any questions, you can just come. Thank you.